Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to download Instagram videos. So this is the video, choose that video which you want to download. Then go for in this share option, click on it and go for add to story. Click on it. Okay, wait for a second and now you can see here three dot option. Click on it and go for save, and it's processing now. Okay, wait for a second. It takes a few seconds or minutes. Okay, so it's now saved. Then go for your mm, photos option, and you can see here is the video. So this is how you can save Instagram videos or download Instagram videos. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.